In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons in Wix. Whether you're looking to boost customer confidence at checkout or add a touch of professionalism to your online store, having these icons prominently displayed can make a world of difference. Let's dive in and walk through the simple process together. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor, which serves as your creative playground for building your site. From here, navigate to the Add Apps section. This will lead you to the Wix App Market, which is a treasure trove of functionalities to enhance your website. Once you're in the App Market, use the search bar to look for payment icons, or alternatively, search for trust badges or payment badges. These search terms will guide you to apps specifically designed to offer the payment icons you're looking for. You'll see a variety of apps, each offering different styles and features. Review them and find one that suits your needs. A popular choice is the Trust Badges and Payment Icons app. Clicking on an app will show you all the details, including user reviews and feature highlights, helping you make an informed decision. Add your preferred app to your site, and you'll be on your way to the next step. Once added, you'll need to configure the app to suit your preferences. The first thing you'll do here is select which payment icons or logos you wish to display. These could range from PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or others, depending on what payment methods you offer. Having these icons visible can assure your customers that your site supports familiar and trusted payment methods. Next, you can personalize the look of these icons. Typically, you'll get options to choose from different styles, such as full color or black and white versions, as well as options varying in size and shape. The goal here is to ensure that these icons are both visible and complementary to your site's existing design and aesthetics. With your design choices made, it's time to decide where these icons should appear on your site. Common placements include your site's footer, product pages, or checkout page, essentially anywhere it would make sense for your customers to see them during their shopping experience. Don't forget to adjust the design settings to ensure these icons seamlessly blend in with your overall website design. This might involve tweaking their size or position to match your layout perfectly. Finally, after all the adjustments and tweaks, go ahead and preview your site. This gives you a chance to see everything in action and ensure it all looks just right. Once you're happy with everything, hit Publish, and your site visitors will now see these payment icons live on your site. Remember, these small additions can significantly enhance trust and user experience on your website, making this a worthwhile enhancement. Thanks for following along today, and good luck with your Wix website.